friends, it is Kay from Closet Keepsakes. I am here with a quick trendy thrift video for you today. Today we are going to do a haul, but it's a replacement haul, y'all. Y'all know I love to thrift, but I have a lot of things in my closet that need to be replaced. And when you're thrifting, this could be, a high probability that at some point you're going to have to replace things, even if they're quality items. I have quite a few things, especially after switching out my spring and summer closet to my fall and winter closet, that I have been thrifting to replace those items, upgrade them, get different sizes, just a variety of reasons why. So I'm going to share with you guys today the things that I have thrifted that are going to be replacement items. I'm also going to show you the things that they are going to be replacing. So let's get started. Okay, so the first item, you guys actually seen this one a couple weeks ago, but I'm going to bring it back to your memory and show you the item that it is going to be replacing in my closet. So the first item is this blouse. It's very wrinkled, y'all. It buttons up the front and it has a collar here. You guys can see that. I don't know if it's on the hanger well or not. And the thing that I liked about this is the sleeves. You guys see it has like tiers right here on the side, on both sides. And I just thought it was really cute. It has kind of like a satin finish to it. It's a Banana Republic top, so it is decent quality as well. And I am replacing this shirt. Okay, let me get it to you. It's not on a hanger because it's going into the donation bag. Now this shirt is really cute to me too, but I have to make room in my closet, y'all. This one has kind of a satin finish as well. It has like the teacup sleeves with the elastic in it. A collar just like the other one, but the collar is a little different. It doesn't fold under. It actually has like a tie around the neck piece to it. It buttons up the front. I would say the quality isn't as good, and it also has like this peekaboo in the back. So I am going to be probably putting this in my donation pile and letting it go. I do really like this shirt. Of course, this blue is my favorite, but it is time for it to go. It does not fit the same. It fits, but it just doesn't fit the way I would like it to, especially for pairing with other things. It's kind of cropped, and I want to kind of wear it in a dressy way. So this one is going to be going. Okay, so the next item, y'all. This one was also shown in a recent video, but it is a replacement for another item. So I wanted to show you guys the item that I'm replacing it for. So it is this like sweater vest. It's really long. It's thick. It's really thick, warm, good quality. It has a little bit of a collar here on it. And it's simple. It doesn't have a lot going on with it. But it is just, like I said, really good quality, really thick. It's going to keep me super warm in the cooler months if it ever gets cooler, y'all. So I was excited about that. And it's going to be replacing this item. So they're very similar. This one does have pockets. It also has silver buttons here in the front. And I do like this one a lot too. It is not as thick. And this is a Banana Republic sweater vest as well. Now, I do love this one, y'all. I'm actually like, should I get rid of it? I don't know. Even though it's very similar, it does have some very different details on it. And details, it's all in the details. Also, like I said, it's lighter weight. So this is something that I could probably more so wear now. This other one is definitely, I am all the way in fall and winter wear because it is very thick. But it was meant to replace this one. And this was a thrifted item as well, and I thought it was just really cute. So, y'all, help me. Help me. Now, I will say sometimes it can be very difficult to find replacement items thrift to thrift, you know what I'm saying? Because thrifting is like hit and miss a lot of the times. You really have to be looking. You really have to be diligent. You really have to kind of be focused on what it is you're looking for. So keep that in mind if you are looking to thrift and replace items in your closet. Okay, let's move on to the next item, y'all. Okay, so this is the item that I am using as the replacement. And I don't know. I've had mixed feelings, y'all. But it's this houndstooth houndstooth jacket, and it's kind of got like a vintage cut to it. It's cropped. It has like the quarter sleeves. It has a lining in it. It also has buttons at the front. Really, really, really big buttons. I don't know if you guys have the chance to see that, but the buttons are huge, which I think make a statement on a jacket like this. It's, you know, warm, something I could throw on for work, excuse me, and go about my day. I think it's really cute. It is replacing this item. Let me hang this up. And it's not on a hanger because it's going in the donation bin. This blazer, and you guys, this is another piece I do really love still. It has buttons on the arm or around the wrist area. It has slight shoulder pads. And I really do really like this jacket, but it does not fit, y'all. It does not fit. And you guys already know, like, if you hold on to things that you're trying to get back into, not that you won't reach your goals, but a lot of times you're like looking for new clothes, new style, new items. And I just don't want to have this in here forever like that. But I do really like this piece, probably even more than I like the other one. But I like the idea of large houndstooth print, especially in the fall months. So I will be replacing this item with the other one. Okay, I got a few more for y'all. Okay, so I know this is not necessarily trending, but to me it's a classic, and I always try to look for pieces like this in this season. So in the fall months, I really love the idea, fall and winter, the idea of velvet, y'all. And I love a good velvet jacket. I love a good velvet pair of pants, skirt. I really just like that. I don't know. Like I said, it's not necessarily trending, but it's just something I like for my personal style. So I have this velvet blazer, and I love this blazer, you guys. This is a vintage blazer at that, but it just feels so good. It's got slight shoulder pads. It does have a button left on the sleeve. It has a button here in the front. It's just super cute. Little faux pockets, lining on the inside. I love this jacket. And it's just so like fall to me. I'm going to be replacing it with this one. So this one is very similar. As you guys can see, this one has real pockets. It also has buttons. They're not fancy like the other one, but it's buttons. It has a little handkerchief pocket here in the front. It also has buttons on the sleeve. Just very thick, very cute. It has a lining on the inside as well. And the reason why I'm replacing it is probably obvious, y'all, but I'm going to point it out. This actually might go on my Poshmark, but look at the coloring. This one is just more pigmented. This one has had its day in the sun, and I don't know if it just needs to be brushed. Maybe has a lot of lint on it or something to make it just feel more bright and vibrant. But I definitely think this one has a little more pigment to it, and it's going to bring the color and the style that I'm looking for. They're both really good quality. I don't know if this one's vintage, but I know the other one is definitely a vintage item. So I am excited about this new jacket. I'm a little sad about replacing the other one though. That's the heart that you can't get attached to your clothes. Especially if they're items you truly love. And you know, that's the mission I've been talking about all this year, is just finding things that I love, and now I'm having to get rid of things I truly love. So the next item you guys have seen before too. And this one I talked about, it was a replacement item. Going back, y'all, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to replace it. I don't know. I don't want to get rid of the other item. So y'all pray for me. Let me show you guys this one again. It is this moto jacket. And it's a little oversized, just a little bit. But it has, like, you know, the silver hardware on it. And it's just cute. Super cute. And I was excited about getting it. I got it for a really good deal. And so I had to add it to my closet, right? I do think it's faux leather, though. So let's just keep it real. But it's definitely something I was like, I need that in my closet. It is going to be replacing, maybe, because I do love this jacket. This leather jacket. Now, it's a totally different style of moto jacket, you guys. Totally different. I just love this jacket. It has pockets. That's a little area fastening around the neckline here. And I do believe this one is real leather. This is falling apart though. These are the things that I'm like, do I need to replace it? Can I get it fixed and just hold on to it? Y'all know I don't, so that's like, this is like a challenge right here. Like, I need new buttons. It's a challenge, right? It zips. It has zippers, accents and pockets, and I just love this jacket, y'all. So even though this moto jacket is meant to replace this one, I don't know if it really is. I'm gonna have to pray on that one, like for real, and see if I could find someone to fix these. It's just been in my closet for a minute. Like I said, it's starting to have signs of wear and tear. So I was like, do I need to replace it? Maybe I do, and I don't want to. So we'll see. Okay, so I have one last one for you guys, and these things, this right here is going to be so similar. You're going to be like, you're just buying repeats, yo. But I am truly looking to replace these things. So I did buy this particular top. This one is not thrifted or dress, from Shein. It's like a waffle print or waffle texture, like thermals, old school thermals. And, you know, long sleeve. It has a belt around the waist, elastic in the waist, and it's just something you could throw on real quick, belt it up and go. Put on your little boots, booties, whatever you want to, tennis shoes, and go. I like simple style, things that you don't have to put a lot of effort into, so this is why I selected this. Now, you guys might be able to see like the hanger through this. It's very thin. It's not like an actual thermal. It just has the texture of it. I did decide to purchase this one as well. This is a thrifted version. So this one has some differences to it. It doesn't have a belt along the waistline. It also has like balloon-like sleeves. So when you put it on your arm, it does balloon towards the wrist. So it is a little different in that way. And it also has like the waffle-like. Now you can see through this one a little bit as well, but it is a little thicker and it's more pigmented. Of course, because I got this off of Shein, it did not cost me a lot of money at all, but neither did this, thrifted. So this is one that might also get replaced just because I want to have practicality, comfortability, and I don't want to have a whole bunch of repeats in my closet either. I don't have room for that. So this is another piece that's going to probably be getting swapped out in my closet. So like I said before, these are all replacement items that I'm going to be donating or putting in my Poshmark store, and then putting the newer versions into my closet. And this is something that you can do too. You definitely, like I said, have to be focused, got to be really looking, and really have in mind what it is that you're trying to replace when you're thrifting these type of things, because I will say it's probably just a real blessing that I was able to find replacements for the items that I have. So keep that in mind if you're trying to thrift replacements. So thanks for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe, thumbs up, share this video with a friend, y'all. And I will see you guys on the next Trendy Thrift video. Bye.